Hey everybody, David Plummer here from Aerial Influence. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Make sure you hit like and subscribe if you are passionate about the world of drones, because that's what we do right here on our channel. We had such a great time yesterday in Boone, Iowa at the Iowa State University Extension with our good friend Trevor Witt from Kansas State University Polytechnic. It was a great day of teaching people about how drones are changing the world of agriculture. We were there showing off the capabilities of the DJI AgGrass series. This is the drone that sprays and can spread seed. We were also joined by a representative from Pix4D and some other drone manufacturers who were there to show some fixed wing drones, some other quadcopters. It was a really great day of questions and answers from the 40 participants that came. It was a great time. Thank you so much everyone for coming out, and we want to thank Trevor for including Aerial Influence in this great event. We are looking forward to joining Trevor and the rest of the folks from Kansas State University and all over the Midwest at the UAS Tech Forum next week in Salina, Kansas. Hit the link below if you want more information on that. And if you're interested in these kind of events where we teach people about drones in the world of agriculture, make sure you give us a call. Make sure you send us an email. We would love to talk to you about it. We've got 15 acres where we can host large groups and really teach them about how drones are changing the world. So make sure you give us a call, make sure you shoot us an email. We'll see you next time.